Welcome, students. Today we are learning a new and most interesting chapter. It is Alice 3. Alice 3 has integrated development environment which helps you learn the basics of computer programming using characters that interact in a virtual 3D world. It was created by Carnegie Mellon University. Alice has a programming environment that makes it easy and fun to create an animation for telling a story, playing an interactive game, or sharing a video on the web. Alice 3's icon looks like this on the desktop. Now we will see the interface of Alice 3. This is title bar, this is scene editor, and this is code editor. We will come back to this part next week. Today I will demonstrate how to download and install Alice 3. Open web browser and type download Alice 3. When you press enter, you will be directed to another web page. Here we will click on this option. Now we are onto the website of alice.org. Here, after scrolling down, we get these two options, Windows 64-bit and Windows 32-bit of Alice IDE. Now, how to decide which version to download? For this, we will type about in search box, which will open about your PC screen. Here we can check system type. This computer has 64-bit operating system. So we will go for Windows 64-bit option for LS3. If it would have been 32-bit, we would have selected that option from Alice homepage. This computer has 64-bit operating system, so this option will be clicked. Once we click on this option, it shows this message. Students, do not worry, but you can click on keep. Once you click on keep button, LS3 software will start downloading. When we check downloads folder, we find that the setup file has been downloaded. We will double click there and installation wizard starts. You need to have patience, students, because this wizard before installation takes some time. Now we will select language. Once we click on OK, download wizard starts. Here we need to click on yes. Now it asks us, now the setup wizard starts and we need to click on next. Accept the agreement, click on next. Again, click on next. Again, and this way installation starts. This setup will also take some time. Student, bear with it. It almost takes 5 to 6 minutes to install. Now the software has been installed. So we will click on finish and we will check that icon of LS3 is displayed onto the screen. This is how we download and install LS. Next week we will begin with working of LS3 software.